Guangdong Xiangji Electrical Appliance Company Limited is a professional research and manufacturing base in Guangdong, China, for gas water heater combustion systems, heat exchanger systems, and the entirety of water heater devices. Since 1998 years, we have been dedicated to the research and manufacturing of core components and finished goods of gas water heaters. We are the professional enterprise in the domestic gas appliance OEM/ODM industry that encompasses the entire industrial chain and product line with a factory area of 35,250 square meters. At present, we have obtained ISO 9001 Quality System Certification and ISO 14001 Environmental Management System Certification. We have always been committed to independent research and development, integrated innovation, all-round service, and specialized manufacturing, providing customers with systematic product solutions. At present, Xiangji has a total of 16 laboratories and more than 700 experimental equipment and facilities. We have a 60-person R&D team serving as a senior expert group in the gas appliance industry with 30 years of experience. Innovation never stops, constantly breaking industry technical standards. The cornerstone of our growth is its products. We have adhered to the development philosophy that quality is the foundation and innovation is the soul, aiming to develop into a professional international manufacturer covering the entire industrial chain of gas appliances.